In this video, I will show you how I make money with WarriorPlus by driving free traffic from hot traffic sources for affiliate marketing. What's up marketers, I'm Mar here, and in the last video I explained how I set up a mini funnel to promote WarriorPlus offers and build my email list in the process. Today I will concentrate on the free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Actually, I will reveal my method to tap into huge traffic generating platforms. Before I start showing you the strategy, please like the video and consider subscribing if you like this kind of tutorials. Also, don't hesitate to drop a question or a comment below. I will really appreciate and I will come back to answer you as soon as possible. Now let's assume that you already have a capture page created and the thank you page where you promote the WarriorPlus offer is also properly set up, and you are ready to send free traffic to your capture page. And if you don't know how to set these up, please watch the video listed in the description below. And here is a recap of that. Okay, so how it works is that the traffic will hit your capture page here, and some people will like your lead magnet that you are offering for free. They will use the WarriorPlus free download button at the bottom of this page to opt in. Well, the WarriorPlus will add that prospect to your email list on GetResponse or any other software and redirect the prospect to the thank you page where you deliver what you promised here, the lead magnet, and also you promote other offers. For this example, this is the capture page. As you can see, we are offering a lead magnet about viral traffic, and here at the bottom you can see the WarriorPlus button for $0. Everyone that opts in using this button here will land on the thank you page here where you deliver your lead magnet and also recommend other affiliate offers coming from WarriorPlus, and here is exactly where you can make the money. So if someone clicks on this banner here, he will land on this sales page here where if he makes a purchase, you will get paid. Okay, now how do you drive free traffic to your affiliate marketing system? Here is a graphic explaining the strategy, and please keep in mind that all the steps here are free to implement. So when it comes to traffic generation, content marketing is one of the best ways to drive targeted visitors to your landing pages or your capture pages. So in this strategy, I have two steps. The first step is coming up with unique content or unique articles. It will be fast and free. And the second step will be posting that unique content on platforms that have lots of visitors, I mean millions of visitors, like Quora, Medium, and YouTube. And you can of course use your personal blog to post that content. So as you can see here, you can leverage the search engine optimization power SEO with your blog post using the unique article that you got. You can also use the Quora Spaces and Answers. You can use Medium posts and YouTube videos to drive targeted traffic to your capture page. But in this video, I will give you more details about getting the unique article. These are free, absolutely free tools that you can use right away. The first tool is a website called killerplrarticles.com. killerplrarticles.com, and it has tons and tons of free private label rights articles that you can use. It says it here, all the rights that you have, and at the end it says can also do whatever you want. I mean, you have all the rights to use these articles the way you like to do that. So unrestricted private label rights. And if you go to the categories here, Of course, you need to create an account and log into your members area, and you will see all the categories: art and entertainment, food and beverage, self-improvement, health and fitness, home and family, internet, business, and this is what I am going to use today for this example. So let's check if we can find a category that we like. Let's see traffic generation PLR articles. We click on it and the website will come up with lots of articles. As you can see here, there are lots of pages filled with articles. Each article, you can see the number of words, like for example this one, 677 words. That's very good for SEO. And there are also bigger articles in this website. This one says 3 ways to gain traffic to your website, 3 tips for building traffic to your website, and so on and so on. If you change the page, you will find other articles, and you have the full rights to use these articles. But there is one thing that you need to consider, and that is very important. Lots of people are coming to this website and using these articles too. So what you want to do is make your article unique, because you don't want to post on your website or anywhere else something that is duplicated content. And in order to avoid that, we are going to use another free tool which is called Spinbot. So this is a software that spins your article and changes it to be unique. So all you have to do is bring your article, paste it here, click the button, and you will get the new rewritten article here. And after that, we will just go ahead for the last step to check if really the article is unique before posting it on our website or other platforms. And for that, we are going to use a third free tool that is called paperrater.com. So let's go ahead and do one example. So for this example, I'm going to use this article here, 3 ways to gain traffic to your website. So let's open this article and see. And we can read it, take a look at it, 3 strategies to drive traffic. I'm going to copy this article until here, and then Control-C to copy it, and then I will go to Spinbot to change it or to spin it. So I paste my article on this box here, and then resolve the CAPTCHA and click on the button that says Go. And a few seconds later, you have a new article. Now this new article, this spinned article, this is the one I'm supposed to post on my blog and other platforms. But before that, I just want to make sure that it is unique. So I'm going to press Control-C to copy it, and then I will take it to the Paperrater to evaluate this article. So here I am on Paperrater. All you have to do is click the button Get Started below, and then you paste your article that you got from Spinbot here. You paste it here, and then you choose here first grade, for example, and then you choose what category of articles, if it's article, blog, or resume, or book report. I choose article or blog post, and then plagiarism detection, I will click include slower. So I will just click on the, I will of course accept the terms of service, and then click on this button Get Report, and then you will have to wait for it because it's working on the article, and it will show us the results in a second. So let's wait together. I don't want to stop the video for these few seconds. The results will be here very soon. Usually it takes less than 30 seconds, but this time it looks like it's taking more time. But let's just give it a chance. It says completed, and this is the report. And the first thing you can see here at the right hand side is plagiarism detection. This means if the article is duplicate or not. I mean, if we click here, your writing does not depict any plagiarism. Keep up the good work. So original 100%. So we are now with an article that is original 100%, and we can submit on our websites and other platforms, of course. So this is gold. Actually, this is the content is really king. If you have this article like this, you can make from it articles, blog posts, you can participate in forums, you can submit this into Quora Spaces, answer questions on Quora, you can make videos out of it, you can make podcasts out of it, and all these categories will drive you targeted traffic to your website. So the result that we have now is a very nice big fat article that we can use in multiple ways to drive traffic from your blog, from Quora, from YouTube, from podcast platforms, etc., etc. I mean, your imagination is the limit since you have the goal, since you have the content. So back to our graphic, and since now we have a unique article, it's time to go to step 2. I mean, you can post your article on your blog using the SEO power, and for this you can use a plugin that is called Yoast SEO. You can use it to optimize that article, and you can also go to Quora, post on Spaces. You can answer questions using that content. You can also post parts of that article on Medium and then link to your website. You can also transform or make a video out of that article and also link to your capture page or to your website. There are a few videos on this channel where I explain these steps here one by one, but if you want me to make a new video where I walk you through all these, please leave a comment or a question in the comment section. But I'm sure if you go navigate the videos on the channel, you will find about Quora, about the blog posting, about Medium, and also about making YouTube videos from unique articles. I thank you very much for making it so far. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will see you on the next video.